So I'm a flight attendant for a major airline, and this is what my flight attendant bag looks like. This is the bag I use for all my trips as a flight attendant. I have a shopping bag, cloth bag, because a lot of stores require that you bring a cloth bag, and this one I got from the Science Museum in San Francisco, and I like the fact that it has a little zipper. So I can put a mask in and put my charger for my cell phone. I have a foot massager that I got from Whole Foods. You can roll this on your feet because we're on our feet a lot as flight attendants. I have a little bag with all my adapters for different countries because I fly both international and domestic. And two bags actually of adapters. And this is another one. These you can plug into the wall, and I have a little fan because some hotels, in Europe especially in the summer, it gets really hot. It's a portable fan I got from a dollar store, so it's very easy and handy. Slippers for the bedroom, and a pair of flip-flops for the beach or the pool. We have to pack for different weather situations because I fly both international and domestic, and I could be assigned a layover in a sunny country one day, and then a couple days later could be going to somewhere cold. So I always pack as if I'm ready for everything. Belt for my layover pants. I have an umbrella. You never know. Have to be prepared for everything. And I have a little travel iron because some hotel rooms in Europe don't have the iron. You have to call downstairs for it, so this makes it really convenient. And they taught us in flight attendant training to roll all our clothes so that you can fit more. So I have pajamas and socks for working out, clothes for working out, and I have an extra laundry bag for dirty clothes. And so these shoes, sneakers, are for my travel. They stay in my travel bag, and I put fresh socks in each one of them so they don't take up that much room. One for the working out at the gym, and one to wear when I'm going out of the hotel, walking around. And I have workout sleeveless shirt for working out if I want to go to the gym. Clean pair of black socks to go with my uniform, and a white shirt because right now it's summer, absorbs less heat. Undershirt. I always pack fresh undershirts, fresh socks, and underwear based on how many days I'm gone for the trip. My first trip is a 3-day trip, meaning I'll fly to London, have a 24-hour layover, and then work the flight back. So I have to have a fresh pair of underwear, fresh undershirt, fresh socks, and a fresh uniform shirt. And I also have a swimsuit because sometimes we have layovers where the hotel has an indoor pool and an outdoor pool, and I love to go swimming. It's a great exercise. And this is my workout shorts in case I want to work out. So you see, I roll everything up. Takes up less room. And when I get to the hotel, I lay everything out. I take out the uniform shirt, underwear, and shirts, hang them up in the bathroom because the steam from taking the shower in the morning of my next trip will take some of the wrinkles out before I iron the shirt. And also in my suitcase, I have little bags where I put currency of different countries. And then I also have my vaccination cards. So I have separate bags of currencies of different countries. Since we fly both domestic and international, I always want to be prepared. And so this is my flight attendant bag. And it's your standard black bag. Most airlines in the US issue black suitcases to their flight attendants. Depending on the airline, they'll deduct your first set from your first paycheck, and then you get a replacement every few years. Each airline is different. But basically, that's it. That's what I pack in my suitcase. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them.